Other healthy vegetable oils. Canola oil and vegetable oil are not your only options when it comes to cooking. Other healthy options include the following. Avocado oil. Avocado oil has a high smoke point. This means it is ideal for roasting or baking foods. Avocado oils are high in monounsaturated fats, with polyunsaturated fats accounting for about half of the monounsaturated fats. Oil can be costly because it takes a lot of avocado to create even a small amount of oil. However, it has a distinct neutral flavor, making it ideal for adding to soups or mixing with vegetables for stir-fried. Extra virgin olive oil full of healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is best used at medium to low cooking temperatures. When you choose a good quality olive oil, the flavor is excellent, making it a great choice for salad dressings. Coconut oil. Although coconut oil may be high in saturated fat, it also has a beneficial effect on human high-density lipoprotein (HDL) levels. HDL is also known as human good cholesterol, which works to reduce unwanted high cholesterol levels. Coconut oil has a medium smoke point, making it best for use with low-heat baking and sautéing. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil has a medium smoke point, which means you can safely use it for a variety of cooking applications. It has a ratio of 73% polyunsaturated fat, 17% monounsaturated fat, and 10% saturated fat. This is a versatile oil to use. Keep in mind that this type of oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids, a type of polyunsaturated fat that must be balanced with omega-3s, another type of polyunsaturated fat. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a flavorful oil that is high in resveratrol, a compound that helps fight heart disease and reduces a person's risk of cancer. This oil is well balanced in terms of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It has a high smoke point, which makes it ideal for frying or baking. Sesame oil. With a more balanced ratio of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, sesame oil is best used when heated over very low heat only. You can also use it in salads and non-cooked meals to preserve the nutrients. You can get other types of gourmet oils too, like macadamia nut oil. Don't be afraid to get creative. As you can see, when trying to choose a healthy oil, one of the best things you can do is enjoy a variety of oils that are higher in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats and lower in saturated fats. The more variety you have in your diet with the types of fats you consume, the more nutrients you get.